Okay, so someone here is realizing they no longer control, right? And then when I try to get these cards, it says you are in love and attracted to someone. Luck is in your favor. Some monetary gain is coming your way. All right, so some recognition is coming your way, but also this could be you or the person that you're connected to that feels this way. They realizing that they no longer have control over a situation. And then I was hearing that song, baby, turn the lights on, let's get naked. I can't take it no more. So someone can't take it no more, all right? Yo, I be finding these messages funny because I don't be wanting to do it, these messages. I just like the other, like, yeah, they learning that they don't have no control over this. So they have to change their perspective when it comes to something. All right, they could have been unplugging from friends, unplugging from people around them. All right, internet, all of that, and just really been thinking. They haven't been speaking their truth, all right? But this is keeping them in some sort of uncomfortable feeling here. It's like now you have to face yourself. That is the truth. They're getting guides all around them, but this is keeping them ungrounded, all right? And then they look at you, and they see you being peaceful and keeping up your boundaries, all right? But this is going to stop them from going on this adventure for this magic happening if you don't like release, okay? And speak up the truth. No longer have control. Look at that, the messenger. They're getting messages all around, looking out the window, going to the bathroom, whatever it is, anything. Freaking going to the bathroom, they can see a S, a T, a M, whatever it is. You or don't take a resonate. So you could be getting signs everywhere, like their names, their color, or whatever, like whatever. That is a sign. Pay attention to it. Focus on your priorities. So you could be focused on your priorities, clean energy food, watching what you're eating. But also when you're focused on like what you have to do to keep moving forward, that's when you get answers. Too, with the balance, I feel like this is like magic happening with the opal, but we're gonna look it up, alright? I don't know these cards yet. I gotta sit down and study these. So we have introspections. Opal can help you access and elevate your emotions and let go of things that no longer serve you. Clarity helps you understand unclear situations or feelings. Hope. Opal can represent hope and truth. Help you feel optimistic and hopeful. Balance and protections. Considered lucky and protective talisman. And in some cultures are used to protect during childbirth. Harmony and balance in your life. Then I say the introspection, going within, realizing that they no longer have control over anything. You never had control from the first place. Literally, that's what it's saying. Wisdom, they're learning this with the number 999, all right? How to go within and not really listen to others, but listen to self. 222, balance. This is what balance you. Focusing on your own priorities, focusing on yourself. What do you want to do? But also learning with the owl here. They can want to build with you with the number 6, all right? But it also came out in reverse. So they could have been listening to people who they thought was family or actual family members. But now they're changing and realizing, like, listen to self. It starts within one. I have the knowledge, not y'all. Air spirit is like getting a lot of communication all around them. All around you. Take what resonates. Yeah, they went to seek, dive deep, like, look at that. They like, I'm the one who have to be in meditation. Did you see that? In balance. In order to, I'm the one who has to be balanced. I'm the one who has to make the choice on my own. I can't really depend on nobody else. In treehouse, I'm getting secluded. Like, you know, in a treehouse, you go and think. That's like your private area to think. I feel like someone has really been thinking and unplugging from folks who they call family, who is family, giving them wrong advice. Give me 3. The seeds you are planting is growing, okay? New opportunities coming in for you. We have you know your worth, you're a star, and then we have money stacks rag. So whatever you're doing for work, whatever you're doing is you're about to make money off this. You're about to be lit, all right? You're a star, you're a healer, your energy is refreshing, you're good. You know your worth. You're not gonna stand around and wait on nothings. Yeah, look at that introspection again. Really have been thinking about a celebration. Someone could be trying to stop this, all right? Every song take what resonates. Could be trying to stop this. Someone is like, we got that young love, and that's just it. And now they're ready to stand up. They're realizing the Black Panther energy, focusing on the abundance, clear course, clearing out a lot, standing your guard up. And the success is yours. All you gotta do is trust. 2, 3, moving forward. 2 to 1 could be significant. February could be significant. 3 to 5, 8, 3 to 5 weeks. This person could have been taking a break. 3 to 5 months. Take what resonates. 3 to 5 days. Sagittarius here, energy. And we're gonna read that. What is 35? I hope you guys can hear me. Every time I get lower and lower, I don't know. Stocks offer confidence, calmness, and a centered place to rest amid turmoil and change. It is time to focus, to think deeply, and slow down. Your personal truth needs some attention, so don't let it get lost in your present dealings. Stocks also indicate and lead you to a balanced place in emotional swings. Be careful of losing yourself amid behaviors of others, okay? So it's like pulling back your other energy, not even focusing on, like, not letting other people interrupt your energy. Relaxation, completion, contentment, slowing down, and affection. Sagittarius, all right? Could be significant. They could have the hearts for you. This could be a message for you. Focusing on your hand, only what's good for you. Your personality could be coming out. Someone loves your personality, how you dress, all of that. You could be getting a tattoo. You could have a tattoo. They like this. They could like when you wear your hair long, straight. Blacks, take what resonates. But I feel like you focusing on your own bag, you know, like when once you be yourself, you start to like show who you really are within you. So your personality is coming out, all right? You could just like to be bougie, point blank.